What's going on YouTube? If you're new around here, my name is Sam Sheffer, and in this video, I'm gonna show you new Instagram story tricks or hacks, whatever you wanna call them, for 2020. And all of these work on iOS and Android, and I'm using a Pixel 4. Let's jump right in. Up first is how to get a moving background and then use the eraser to draw something on it. So open up the Instagram stories camera, take a picture of whatever, it doesn't matter what it is. And then you want to search for a GIF, specifically a diamond. So type in diamond and then maximize that GIF all the way so it fills the screen. Now what you want to do is download this, so it'll save it to your camera. Then X out what you have, and then swipe up to access the media from your camera, and then choose the video you just downloaded. So now you should have a video of this GIF playing in full screen. Then tap the drawing tool and make sure you have the leftmost marker or pen selected. Select black, then press and hold on the screen so it completely covers the video with black. Then select the eraser tool and start writing or drawing. And what you're effectively doing is revealing the moving image behind the black, giving you this cool effect. Up next is how to make these unique multicolored backgrounds. Again, start on the Instagram stories camera and take a photo of whatever it is, it doesn't matter. Then start typing. What you want to do is type a period in the classic font and then put 10 or 15 spaces and then type another period. Then select a color you want and press the A on the top of the screen. And now you should have this bar of color. And then you maximize it really big so it fills the screen. And you can sort of point it in whichever direction you want. Then start typing again, the same thing. Type a period, type 10 or 15 spaces, type another period. Again, make sure you're in the classic font. Choose another color, and then tap the A once so you get the color block. And then again, like you just did, maximize the color block so it fills the screen and you get this very cool background. And you can certainly get creative here. You can do 3, 4, 5 colors, but it gets a little bit tricky because as soon as you tap one of the colors, it's gonna activate the text thing, so be careful. And what you can do with these cool backgrounds is obviously save it and use it as your phone's background, or download it and then use it on Instagram stories. So you can put a photo on there, you can put text on there, you can use your imagination to do some pretty cool things. Up next is how to get a transparent sort of layer of paint on any of your photos. So again, grab a photo from the Instagram camera or choose one from your camera roll. Select the drawing tool, but make sure you're selecting the marker with the slanted tip. Then choose any color, and remember, you can press and hold on the color palette to really drill down on the color that you want. Once you have your color selected, and remember, you have to be using the slanted marker tool, you press and hold on the screen and it gives you a layer of paint, but it's transparent. It doesn't fill the screen where you can't see the background. It gives you a layer of transparency. Now there is another way to do this with multiple colors. Like I showed you before, make sure you're in the classic font, type a period, type a bunch of spaces, then type another period, and then press that A twice. Now you've got a transparent block of color to add to your photos, and you can repeat the process to do some pretty cool things. Again, get creative, use your imagination, try new things out. There's a lot you can do with these tricks. Up next is the updated Boomerang Tool. So previously, if you made a boomerang, there was nothing you could do with the boomerang aside just post it. So up top, you tap that little boomerang button, and then you can drag that slider to trim the boomerang. You can also change the effect so you can make the boomerang slow. You can do this echo effect, or you can do this duo effect. Personally, I like the duo effect because of that static that appears on the screen. It's pretty cool. Up next, you should try the layout tool built right into the Instagram stories camera. What the layout tool allows you to do is effectively put collages in all of these different formats. So if you just move the slider on the bottom, you can do, a sort of 2-stack, 3-stack, then 2 images side by side. There's a lot to choose from. And you can pinch and zoom on each photo, which is really cool. And you can select photos from your camera roll, which is also really cool. One thing I personally like to do is choose the 4 quadrants and then try and take photos of your face. It makes you look really weird, but it's just a fun little troll. I've actually got one bonus feature, and it's for Android users. For whatever reason, this doesn't exist on iOS. So after you've taken a photo, you've got your menu up top with things you can do to your photo. But if you tap the pen tool, there's an extra one, again, only on Android. It's that little heart, and it's effectively like a spray can. I don't know why this doesn't exist on iPhone, but if you're on Android, you can do this little spray can effect. Just wanted to share that with you. So that's it, 5 new Instagram tricks that you should definitely try out to spice up your stories. Be sure to subscribe to my channel if you learned something today, and leave a like on this video on your way out. And be sure to check the link in my description. I've got another video with Instagram stories tricks that you might find useful. Thanks for watching.